Hi guys, welcome back to Samaya Living YouTube channel. I'm Jyoti Khatri. So today's video is going to be a bit different. So as we all know, lockdown has extended, so I decided to just work on my scars. Last year in the beginning of November or towards the ending of October 2019, I got bitten by a dog, so I got scars out of it, and which was pretty deep, and I am going to work on improving the appearance of those scars. For that, I'll be using TCA peel with strength 35%. So I have already gone through 2 sessions of it, and I thought like I'll be doing this TCA peel at home. And in terms of how was the result from past 2 sessions, I would say it was like it was quite visible. The result was quite visible, and it has improved the appearance of it, but still the marks are severe and it's still there. So I'm going to work on improving it. TCA peel is trichloric acetic acid, and it has been used for many cosmetic treatments, as it helps to remove the dead skin cells and stimulate the formation of new skin. Many people use this TCA peel to get younger looking skin, or those people who have melasma or skin scarring issues, so they do see some sort of benefits out of it. My main purpose of using TCA peel is to eliminate that scar. My first TCA peel session was done by professionals, so I know how these things work, and the strength which is appropriate for me. If you're the first time user, then you start with the milder strength so that you'll get to know about it. And I'm going to skip certain steps in this process because the TCA strength that I'm using, as I said, is 35%, and it is like kind of apt for me, and I have only 35% strength with me, so I'll be just going for that only. And it doesn't require any sort of neutralizing thing for me. So the last step, in which if you find your skin is kind of burning or it's getting hot, so one has to neutralize the peel at that moment. So when I keep this peel even for 10 minutes, nothing happens to my skin, so I'm going to skip the neutralizing step into it. So along with the bottle which I got, I received neutralizing solution too. But if you don't have neutralizing solution with you, then you can use sodium bicarbonate water also. So you just mix a bit of sodium bicarbonate into water and you can spray it on the area which you are treating. So I hope you enjoy this video. And this is the part 1 of this series. Let you know how I did my TCA peel. And in second part of this video, I'll be sharing the result which I got after peeling. So another important thing that I want to mention is like my skin take a lot longer time to shed the upper layer. Usually when people they do undergo through TCA peel, they start seeing the result, like they start seeing the peeling effect from 3 or 4 days onwards, or sometimes like within a week or so. Like my skin starts showing the peeling effect after 2 weeks or so. So yeah, the journey is going to be very different. And I feel like after going through TCA peel like 2 sessions, I feel like the result is quite slower. But yes, it is showing some improvement, so I'm looking forward to it. So come join me. After TCA peel, one has to take care of the skin, moisturize it well, and protect it from the sun. So now let's get into the process. So the scar which I'm treating here is here, this one, and it's one behind here. This one. So these 3 scars are the one which I'm going to treat now. This is the bottle. This is the TCA 35% peel. So the first step is to wipe clean the area with some sort of rubbing alcohol. Ideally, it is better to use gloves, otherwise the TCA peel will touch your skin of your hands and your hands will also start peeling. So we don't want to do that. One can use the brush or earbud, whichever way you feel comfortable, but I personally try to use the earbud, because in that way it's much more easier for me. See, when you open it, the chances of this TCA peel will stick to it, so that's why you need this gloves, at least on one hand. It's better if you have it on another hand also, but I don't like it. You can use a dropper also, that is also fine. Just take out the required amount of TCA peel that you need for this session and then close the rest. So I'm just putting it on the Q-tips and just dabbing it to the spots which I want to treat. So the process seems really simple, but it's just all about finding the right strength for your skin. So I'm going to layer at least 3 times on this. Once it gets dry, I will apply it once again. So I can already feel it's tingling at the moment, but it's bearable. So once it gets dry, I will apply it here once again. So it will take some time, but let it dry nicely. But if you are the one who is with sensitive skin, it's always to get it done by the dermatologist. That's the right person who will do it. But yes, it can be easily done at home. My glove tour, I'm using it after a long time. As you can see, this thing is spreading down also, which I wanted to avoid, but that's what it happens. So this whole area will peel, but I'm fine with that. My target spot was this much. I could have used some sort of tape to avoid it, but I'm fine with this. Even if it will peel from here, I'm fine with this. And getting this thing is a bit tough, but yeah, it's dripping. You can easily do it. I'm just being so conscious because I'm filming also and seeing it on the screen, so it's a bit tough. But yeah, because yes, I'm dabbing it once more. So when it starts working, you will feel the skin will start turning a bit white, kind of, it's a neutralizing phase. I'll show you when it will happen. Usually it takes time for my skin. So now it's just, I'm being much more focused. So do check out the second part of this video where I'll be sharing the result. So you can see this spot has turned a bit whitish. It starts working here on this spot, and this is my target spot at the moment. I feel like going for one more layer, so I'll be going for one more layer here because I'm not feeling that sort of sensation that I'm looking for. So because after 2 peel session, it doesn't have that much improvement which I was looking for. So this time I'm going for stronger one. But if you start feeling like you can't tolerate this itchiness and that sensation, then you can neutralize it. So wherever you're seeing this white thing, so these are the area where skin is going to peel off. So I'm much more focused on, peeling this area so that appearance of the scar will be much lighter. Watch the second part for seeing the peeling process and the result. In the second video part, I'll be sharing the peeling process and the final result. If your skin has some sort of cut, then do not do that. Your skin has to be healed properly before you start doing this process. So there you have it. I hope you find this video useful, and hit the like button down below, and do share this video with everyone who might find it useful. If you have some suggestion or the topics that you want me to cover in the future videos, then do mention them in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.